I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video lecture, I'll go ahead and teach you about bitwise operators in C++. So bitwise operators is another type of operator to use, and so like other operators, we have some of this like AND. We have AND, and equal that's binary AND operator. So it copies the bit to the result if it exists in both operands, but we're going to use more of a calculator right here because I want to demonstrate that so that you can be able to learn about this, because I'm going to use my calculator to always show you how this works, okay? So I'm going to do that first of all, but I'm going to show you the following bitwise operators we're going to discuss. We have the OR, the AND, the OR, the XOR. So we have the one that is called the XOR. This is the XOR. So then we are going to look at shift left and shift right. Okay, so this is more explainable by execution method than just a theoretical method, because you're going to learn it, alright? And what we're going to do, you're going to use a calculator to explain any one of them, alright? So let's go ahead and say int x equal to 50, and then int y equal to close to 12 and place semicolon. Now we're going to use, let's go ahead and put this backspace. So now we're going to use the bitwise operator to work here. So let's say int z is equal to 0 for semicolon. Then let's go ahead and say z is equal to x and y. X and y. So put a semicolon at the end. Alright, so put a semicolon at the end, and then go ahead and say count CO the results. So put it in a string format, alright? The result of x and y equal to. So the result of x and y is equal to z So result of x and y equal to z. Now change that to 19 and run this code again. So the result of x and y is equal to 18. Now you ask me, how do we get this? That is my first question you ask if you're beginner in this. Let me go ahead and get my calculator. So this is a programmer calculator, is right in your computer. Check it out. So now I have x equal to 50 and y equal to 19. What you need to do is select programmer. Under here you have programmer, have scientific and other things. So this is the easiest for me to explain this to you. So the AND is for this, the NOT is for this, the XOR is this, the OR is this, right shift and left shift is this, okay? Now 50 and, so 50 and 19, okay, is equal to 18. This is decimal. That is what is printed out for you. Okay, so this is decimal. And clear this 50, and 12. Just what we did previously is 0. Can you see that? That's 12 goes 0. And, collide that again. 50 and 16 is equal to 16. You see that? So in the binary aspect, this is what you get in the binary aspect of it. But what is being printed at is the decimal. Understand? So go ahead and close this. I'll clear this. Then let's go ahead and check out the all. Alright, so 50 or 19. So to all, you go ahead and put just one single pipe right there. So come back here and say X or Y and run this code. Let's check out the results. So X or Y is equal to 51. Now let's check out with our calculator to know if that binary operator should work out fine. So 50 all. This is all right here. So use this 50 all 19 equal to 51. Can you see that? That is what you get. 50 all 19 is equal to 51. So go ahead and close this and declare this. Let's look at other binary operators, and the next one is the exclusive all. You call that exclusive all. So the result of X exclusive all Y is equal to Z. Let's run the score and check it out. So that is 33, and let's use a calculator and check that out. Clear everything. 50. This is exclusive all. You see that? X all means exclusive. 50 exclusive all 19. Click on that 33, and that is what you have. Can you see that the binary operator is really working out fine? So go ahead and close this. Minimize that and close this. Now, let me go ahead and say we have C. You can shift left to how many times? I said 3 times or 2 times or any number of times. And let's go out there and say X, shift left 3 times, shift left 3 times, and low. Let's check out the results. It's 400, so shift left 3 times is 400. So this is something you do with your calculator. Let's go ahead and check it out. So that is X is what? 51, 51, shift left 3 times equal to 408. Check it out again. X is 50, shift left 3 times is equal to 400. Okay, I typed something wrongly. So that's why I got 408. So you can see that 400. So when you shift left 3 times, you got 400, and that is what we got right here. Okay, let's shift right. Close this. So shift right 3 times. Shift right 3 times, or we can change any number of times, press it 6 times, and I'll run this code and check it out. Alright, I need to close this so I can be able to retype this inside here. Shift left 3 times or 6 times, and run this code. Wow, that is 0. You can see that? Let's check it out. That is 50, shift right 6 times is equal to 0. Wow, that is really amazing. Close this. Let's shift right 3 times. Shift right 3 times. Can you do so 3 times? And run the code again. And the result is 6. Just 6. Now let's run it. Go and check it out. 50, shift right 3 times is 6. Can you see that? It's working out fine. Alright, I'm gonna minimize this and close this. So this comes to the end of the logical operators. I believe that I've shown you everything, and for whatever you do, even if it is AND 50 and 19 is equal to this, you can see the binary result is here, the octal result is there, the decimal is there, the hexadecimal is there. So any one of them, you shouldn't be confused, okay? You should always, if you are requested to get the binary results, go ahead and check it out, and it will be printed out for you, and any one of them, okay? So this comes to the end of the bitwise operator. You can see that everything works out fine, and the results are accurate, and that's so wonderful. So put it on your system, check it out, and play around with it. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.